know what? I found it. I found an hour in today's schedule. That is quite literally clusterfucked with all sorts of chores and stuff. I found an hour to actually get a little bit more work done. So let's see what we can do here. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just going to quickly export this. I think we can apply scale, and this needs to be not exported. We can actually just do that by putting it into do not export collection, hiding it, and I think that's about it. I think I'm gonna duplicate this inner door hole. Okay, I'm going to do another boolean, I suppose, and then I'm just gonna comment this, get this out. So this displayed as wire, and then move the collection to not export. And I'm just gonna hide this for the time being. Okay, and this goes to do not export as well. Okay, so this is the human-made vessel called Salutation. We're going to models, vessels, Godot export. Beautiful. Oh yeah, we need a different icon for this one because it's not representing the automatic nature of the pickup. Oh yeah, my tablet's also still not working. So I guess I'm not using that. Hold on. What is it? Huon tablet core. Huon software. And then there's no more Huon stuff, right? Yeah. Let's relaunch it. Still not. So I suppose I just need to restart my computer, which we're not going to worry about it. I am just going to... Let's just do this. Okay. It's kind of stupid, but it's something. We'll just roll with it. Sprites, UI, inventory items. This is a PNG pull tool, and this would be auto pull tool. Okay. Cool. Right. So we're gonna do icon auto pull tool. Okay. Now, here's the deal. This vessel here, Pneuma vessel. This vessel here is the base. Let's make a new inherited scene. It's gonna base off of Pneuma vessel. We're gonna save this, and this is the salutation. Okay. Now, what do we need to do here? I think we need to change this, right? Can we change it? I don't know if we can. Make local? can't because it's inherited. I think we might have to save this. Save scene as base vessel. Save it. Then off of the base vessel, this might be disastrous. I guess we'll find out what all the viruses running on my computer. Come on. Let's do new inherited scene from base vessel. We're going to save it. Numa vessel 1. Just gonna do that. Numa vessel 1. Okay. In the base vessel, we're gonna get rid of the mesh. Okay. It's in 0, 0, 0, no rotation, nothing. That's it. And we also get rid of this. Left control panel. Okay. We go to the current Numa vessel. The current one. So we got to open it. That's models. We need to go to objects. That's scripts. Wait, what are scripts doing here? That seems weird. Okay, go to here. Copy this and the left control panel with all of its goodies. Copy. Numa vessel 1. Paste it in. And then we can just populate it right here. So the nodes are still here. That's good. Collision shape. What collision shape? Right now it is. Let's go to the base vessel. So base vessel, we have a collision shape here. Let's call it vessel base collision shape. Cool. Vessel base collision shape. We go to Numa vessel. It has vessel base collision shape, which I think it's okay for it to be this. I'm gonna copy that shape. We're gonna go to the base. Let's position it right here. Let's clear it from here. And then in the Numa vessel, we paste it in. Okay. Hypothetically, these are all the custom things about this vessel. Everything else, attachment nodes, everything is the same. Particles, we'll remove that afterwards. Animation player, everything. Now, okay, technically, the animation player might have to be different. Let me manage animations. I'm gonna... Can I export? Global, yes. Save. Animation library can be saved because it's not belonging to it. Edit scene, make it unique first. Can I save as? Son of a gun. Okay. I suppose if I make it unique, that's how we get rid of all these animations. So let's save it. Save as. I guess we can do animations. And this is Numa vessel animations. Oh, there's a period in front of it. Okay. Now, that's Numa vessel 1. It has unique animations. So if we go to base vessel, these animations are no longer, shouldn't be any longer here. So edit, or I should say animation, manage animations. Trash it. No more animations here. Cool. In the Numa vessel, we still have them because they're unique. Enter vessel enter. That should be working. At least I hope so. It isn't working because because we deleted the node. Okay. So what if I bring it back? Okay. There. There. Okay, we need to copy the animations before we do this, or at least save it. Manage animations. Save. Numa Vessel animations. With all the tracks and everything. Go back here. Okay, right now it's going to be displaying this stuff. But if we go delete, load, yes. There we go. There's a bit of clipping, but that's fine. Okay, so that's good. Now, I do wonder if it's going to complain about this. Hopefully not. Let's go to sandbox. Let's get rid of this vessel. I guess I can just spawn in Numa Vessel 1 in the exact same place. Place it right here. Get rid of this. And this should be the new one. Let's see if it works or if it complains about something. Yeah. Okay. Well. Oh. Well, that doesn't seem like it worked. Get mineable cluster. GD, that's irrelevant. Numa Vessel. Player enter animation not found. Enter vessel. Right. Now that's, I guess that's the byproduct of us copy pasting it. Can I just rename it? Reset. Nope. I guess I can't. It is forever stuck with... Oh, what? But we don't even have the animations here. The frames. What happened? Trash this. Load. Add library. Hold on. Whoops. Oh, that's a new one. Okay. So we got the exit vessel. Yeah, it's missing all the stuff. It's missing all the built-in enter vessel. It's missing all the tracks. We just had the tracks, though. Okay, pull tool. Let's do this. Maybe we... Oh, they're missing from here, too. It's nothing to undo. Oh, did we lose it? We might have lost it. Hold on. Yep. Okay. Okay. Here's what we're going to do. Enter vessel. Starts with... I guess we just need to make sure that we have everything already in place before we start doing any sort of attachment. So since we have that, we don't need this player attachment origin node because we screwed it up. We just need the player attachment. It's the whole reason for this node is because we wanted to see if we can preserve it. All right, fair enough. What the hell was that? Base vessel. Man. Vessel 2. Wait, vessel 1? Why is that still? Oh, because we undid it. Okay. In the base vessel, there should be no vessel 1. The fact that it deletes the animations, if the node is deleted, is actually kind of annoying. Very disappointing. Why are you complaining about stuff? Incoming node's name crashes with left control panel already in scene. That's fine. That's the base vessel. There is no control panel. We have one here. Vessel 2. Vessel 1. Okay, we don't need to open it. We do need to do this. No mesh. The body. Front window curves. All of that is going to display pattern. Okay. The rest is fine. Now this pneumo vessel needs to go. Yep. All the animation's gone. Okay, that's fine. We'll sort whatever issues come. That is okay. Delete this. Yes. Okay. Okay. So this guy is the pneumo vessel, the new one. Yes. Beautiful. Let's go to... That's the base vessel. That's perfectly fine. We can copy this and then clear it. Nice. Go to the pneumo vessel. Where's the base collision? We undid it so far that we undid that as well. Base collision shape. Okay. Go back here. Base collision shape. Paste. Nice. Okay. Now, that's good. Okay, so now we have this. We have the salutation. It says that there's a vessel 1, but there shouldn't be one. What is it inheriting from? Ah, it's inheriting from pneumo vessel. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Go to base vessel, scene. We're gonna close the salutation. Scene. New inherited scene from base vessel. We're gonna save it over salutation. Yes. Good. Okay. So now we're gonna load up. Oh, did I not export? I did. GLB. Models. Vessels. I guess I did not. Oh, did it crash? I don't remember closing Blender. Okay. Models, vessels, salutation. It does crash. Well, hold on a second. What the? That's not going to be good. If you're going to be crashing on me when I'm trying to export, that is not going to be good at all. No animations. No shape keys, no skinning. Apply modifiers, of course. Includes only visible objects. Okay. All right. So maybe because we didn't export GLBs. or apply modifiers. Okay. So it's looking at Z negative, which is correct. And now we have the animation player. And we need to go to the base vessel and make sure that there's no animations here. Manage animations, trash this whole thing. That's it. We just need the node. We'll go to salutation, make a new one. So enter. I think we need first enter here. Vessel player. Let's get the player in here. Okay, so we know that the enter animation is going to be about 8 seconds or 5 seconds. For now, it's got to be fast for the sake of us getting this up and running. Let me go to the base vessel and then clear the rotation of this node. And then I guess we just position it here. Let's go here. We know that this is where we want to end up. Right around here. So, player attachment, keyframe, Bezier curves, sure. And then keyframe location. Okay. Right now we're just going to do a draft animation. Wow, this is a this is actually a much larger ship than the other one, isn't it? Hold on a sec. Yeah, it is much larger. The heck? I guess I didn't notice. 3D cursor. Set cursor to world origin. I guess I want it to be just slightly smaller. Okay. I think I should probably save this as the Godot preset. Nice. Okay. That's a problem. I had a bunch of stuff. Okay, that's more like it. That sub is sick. Thank you. I got a second second object, second sub to do the test with. Apply scale. Let's export. There we go. Okay, now that's a bit more like it. So we have the enter. We go back here. Again, these are just placeholders. Placeholder keyframe locations. It just needs something to look at. Okay. And then just gonna do this. There's some inside out faces. That's fine. We don't care about that. And then this is the starting pose. Okay. Okay, so that's enter. take a look at the code for a sec, because we have enter vessel. And then we have another one for exit vessel. Okay, so rename, enter vessel. We're going to duplicate exit vessel. All right, same concept. It's quite literally just backwards. So can I do this? Can I go over here, select all the frames, and then can we flip? Bake animations, apply reset, go to next step. No, I guess we can scale from the cursor. -1. Please tell me we can do that. Thank you. Okay, cool. So all I gotta do is we're gonna start here. We're gonna rotate. No, actually, no, we start here. So this and this. Then I rotate. Okay. Turn around, turn left. Oh, of course. Oh, freaking course. What were we at here? 180. So 270. And then 270. And that's it. So this one's 5 seconds. Cool. All right. So again, we don't really care about the details. We only care about simply getting it to work. Okay. Now, we go back to the Numa vessel, because it is also screwed up. Okay. It has all of this stuff, which we might as well just toss in the garbage, because all of it got messed up. Where is the player? Okay, player here. It is totally fine that we screwed it up. We are learning the ropes. We are learning the process and what not to do. That is A-okay. So, we know that we have enter vessel, and we know that we have exit. We do enter vessel. Let's make it 5 seconds. We know that we gotta end up here. Bezier curves, of course. Bezier curves. Okay, and then we know that we gotta start here. Okay. Just gonna position it like this, because that's the rotation we have to assume. There we go. This project is relatively new. I think about maybe 7 hours so far. Okay. I didn't bake the location. There we go. Until completion. Ooh, I mean, I want to get something minimal and playable, just which is mostly underwater um survival mechanics. I'm basically just gonna go by the footsteps of Subnautica, which is get something playable um out as early as possible, early access, something along those lines with survival stuff and basic exploration, and then focus on the story once all the foundation is in place. Okay, so enter vessel is here, even though technically we're supposed to have a hatch opening animation for about a second. I guess we can very quickly set that up. Actually, you know what? Here's what I'm going to do. The hatch opens up. The hatch literally opens up in the same exact angle as everything else here. So I'm just going to animate the first one, and I'll just copy the transforms to the other ones in code. Okay. Okay, there we go. So we'll do this. Okay, and then we go up. And then I can duplicate these, except we're going to flip them. There we go. The ideas for narrative in a game like this are mouth-watering. Yeah, I know, right? Oh man. I don't know. I think as of the past few years I've been on like a sci-fi exploration route. Mainly like humans interacting with aliens and the differences in their cultures. Cool, man. Okay. So we got up, in, beautiful. And all right, so what I'm going to do is go into okay, the Numa vessel needs to extend this script. Okay, so this is not good. This is base vessel TSCN, but it's still called Numa vessel script. So we're going to do this. We're going to go to Numa vessel GD, find and file system, and then base vessel. Cool. Aliens movies. Nice. Good thing to binge. Extend script, Numa vessel GD. Nice. We're gonna pop into scripts. Vessels. Nice. Vessels enter hatch. Oh, that's right. That's interactive shape. Okay, so we don't need ready. I think in the base vessel we have already used process. So we can't really use it here. I need some sort of like a post process. So post process delta. We're going to define it right here. And it is going to do literally nothing. It's just like a placeholder. So what we can do is go to the Numa vessel and then run the post process. And now we can just expand additional functionality in the Numa vessel. Like, for example, we're going to take all of these nodes. Okay, and then we'll do for hatch segment in this array. We're going to say hatch segment dot rotation equals. We're going to talk to this hatch segment, the first one, We're going to copy its rotation. And that's it. That's literally the entire job of this script. We don't really have any unique Numa vessel functionalities in here yet. We're going to see about maybe having something later on, like it being able to interact with some alien tech. Like, for example, you need to have this vessel in order to be able to enter certain alien facilities, because they only respond to their own vessels. That would be a cool little thing. Now, what do we got? What do we need? I think we just need to go here and then test if the animation is working again. Yeah. I'm gonna soon be able to afford Valve Index. I just need to wait like a month or two more. And I'm gonna be using that for development. The quest can go to hell. Okay, so what is... debug session closed. Ah, damn it. Why did it crash? Inventory panel visible. Ah, right. So, where's the inventory panel here? Null instance. Couldn't get to the inventory panel. Now, why is that the case? Is there no inventory panel? There might not be. Left control panel. Oh, it's called left control panel 2. There we go. All right. Oh yeah, we forgot that we have a player inside of the player attachment, so it kind of took over. I'm beefing with the Quest because for the past almost 2 years I've been using it for development, and it has been simply the most annoying... Oh wow, that looks way better than the first one. Maybe this part could be a little bit faster. But yeah, it's just such an annoying headset to work with, simply because there's a series of very minor annoyances that occur all the time, over and over and over again, that make it fucking unbearable to work with. Like, I actually hate it from the development standpoint because of how much frustration it causes. It's like, it's a sort of frustration when you're standing on the train and somebody is like poking you in the side ever so lightly, not enough to like cause you any harm, but enough that eventually you want to turn around and punch that person in the face. If that puts into perspective, that's what it feels like to develop with the Quest. To the point where I'm like, I literally don't even want to publish anything on the Quest store. Fuck the Quest. And fuck Meta. It's so annoying. Anyways. Okay. Enter vessel. This whole sequence could be a little slower. Or, sorry, longer. Quicker. Damn. Okay. Let's go 3 seconds, and then there's also something that we're supposed to call, isn't it? There's a call method in the Numa vessel, and the method is player in breathing zone. Player exit vessel. Player entered vessel. Okay, what the hell was it that we ran before? Hold on a second. Let me double check this. Enter vessel. We ran player in breathing zone, and then player entered vessel. Okay. No, I can't. Fine. Player in breathing zone. So this happens when the player crosses the hatch, like right here, and then player entered vessel is the end, which signifies that vessel now knows that the player's inside, and player exit vessel. Yeah, and it allows us to take control over the device. So let's go 4 seconds long. Okay, let's quickly reconstruct this. Player attachment node. Let's add a player here for temporary sake. Okay. Player exited vessel. I think this will be here. All right, so we're gonna rotate 180. No, I said 180. Nice. We're gonna look here. Okay, come on. Negative 180. Okay, well, now you're just fucking with me. What rotation is this? Negative 180. We go here. I suppose I did not select the proper property. There we go. Okay. By this point, we're going to be here. So here. Oh, it's still doing the whole rotation thing. Negative 180. Here's got to be negative 1. Maybe, hold on, maybe we'll just take the hint. Maybe we'll say, yeah, sure, positive 180. Okay, and then right here, in between the drop, she needs to jump. Oh my god. Okay, and then here. Okay, you're seeing this, right? I didn't type in negative 180. It's like it flip-flops. Okay. I also want you to jump up. Like that. Okay. And then the last element. Now we turn around. I guess at this point it doesn't matter which way. Okay. Let's give it a test. Okay, yeah, we left the player inside there, right? I'm gonna remove it from, oh, it's not here, good. Okay, so we have this. Also, for some reason, my rotation has drastically changed. Like, I can barely rotate. And this was in the player. I think I might have accidentally changed the player rotation velocity when I was messing around with the ship's rotation velocity. Let's see. Ooh, we don't need any smaller. All right, where do we do this? Suit thrust left. Look up. No, that's for the camera look. Camera, rotating and resetting the camera. Keyboard controlling, keyboard, pitching, looking up. I think this is it. Suit pitch up. I think this is roll. And the roll is seemingly very weak. Yeah. Unless there's some sort of a static body that is interfering with it. Yeah, see? This is weird. Okay. Pitch value. Not pitch value. This would be... Oh, this would be yaw. Let's print it. Let's figure it out. Maybe our binding is conflicting with something else. Okay. Negative 15. Positive 15. Negative 15. Positive 15. And then when we do this, it doesn't seem to matter. But when we fly, that is definitely a lot more powerful. Where do we move? Move target vector. I think this is it. And then thrust speed, which is 02. 0.05. Okay. That's a little bit more like it. All right, let's go enter. That actually looks even better than the first one, except this. I don't know what happens here. We can control the ship. Can we exit? Okay. It didn't finish playing. Or maybe it just kicked us out prematurely. Exit vessel. Oh, player exited vessel is actually clearing the remote transforms path property, which basically lets go of the player, and the player can just act as an independent object. So we gotta wait for the whole animation to finish before we can run that. Okay, so we exit. Oh yeah, nice. We need to get the hatch to open as well. At least for the eye candy sake. Let's say in the beginning, we go here. Okay. So it's got to open right before we exit. So we take this, place another point, and then right as the player moves in, place the rotation here. Yep. And then we're going to duplicate this, reverse it so that it closes up. And there we go. And I left the player inside. We don't need that. All right. Can we make it? I want to see if the other one works. Okay. I also don't know why it teleports. Okay, and then we can go. All right, let's get the other ship in. Please tell me we can make this work. Let's see. Okay, now this ship. Oh, that's GLTF though. That's not the right scene. Mm-hmm. It's still called Numa Vessel, but there we go. Salutation, that's good. Now, there is a difference with salutation. You see, there's a enter hatch, and it is underneath in the first vessel. So I'm actually going to copy this shape and clear it. Go to the Numa vessel. I'm going to make the Numa vessel have this shape, and then for salutation, it has to be a different shape. It has to be a rectangle. A rectangle. That's front view. Looks awesome, but cool. I think that's it. Okay, no. Papa Smurf's a colon again, apparently. Oh, right. So, the inventory panel. I think we can reuse the same inventory panel in this one, but we're going to program it to assume a different set of icons. Something that's a bit more... less holographic. Let's put it that way. Left control panel. I'm just going to copy it and then just paste it in here. Wait, where's the there it is. Okay. Nice. Okay. Yep. That's fine. That is okay. No matter. I'll just leave it here. I just need to be able to get in. Get in and get out. Please and thank you. Okay, I don't need to get in this one. I already know I can get in this one. Okay. Oh, yes. The ship could still be controlled as I'm getting out of it. That might be a problem. Why are we... I guess we're slow because we might have messed around with the player's velocity. Okay. So very basic. Does not have to be super clean. Okay, now why do we still have control of the player? Ah, right. We never called the method. Right. So, salutation does have... It does inherit from the base script. Right. So where, pray tell, are all of the functions of the base script? Unless there's an error. There is no error. That's really weird. It goes to base vessel. Okay. Here we have pneumo vessel and salutation. Okay. Why do we not see the functions? Oh, I know why. It's because I'm probably using the wrong type of track. I need a method called track. Salutation. And then there is enter player entered vessel in breathable zones. So first we are here. So hatch will open. The water will drain. So I guess we'll place it here. Once we get the clean animations, that's when we'll do all the special effects. So next is player entered vessel. That's when control is given. And then here, call method player exited vessel. And then this is where control is relinquished. Although we might actually want to have a separate function for stopping the controls, because I could still control the ship as I was playing the exit animation. Player exited vessel. Player inside is false. I guess we can make a function here. Player left controls, which is where we're going to do player inside of this vessel becomes false. Okay. Linear velocity is cleared. Toggles, all that stuff. Cool. Okay, so that's where we're going to do here. Player left controls. Oh, I got to save it first. Player left controls. Controls. Beautiful. Okay. So that happens as soon as the animation begins. And the exit vessel is done by the end here. Okay, now, since we're kind of on the subject of it, exit vessel, let's add another method call here. Player left controls. Executor right in the beginning. Nice. All right. I think this should do it. Right. Placeholder player. Gotta get rid. Gotta get. Okay, we don't care about this one, although we do care to see if the animation is still going to be, the controls are still going to be here. You know, we are printing this thing. We're printing a lot of stuff, so maybe that's what's screwing with my performance. And what is that? That is... We're also printing something else. Impact. That's only a one-time. Look, reset count. Okay. Cool. Enter. Can't control until the animation is done. And then exit. Cannot control. Beautiful. Although it has just pushed us out of the world. So we're gonna have to account for that too, eh? Okay. Can we pilot it? Oh, yes, we can. but the properties. This one is 10 kilos. Might want to actually be a bit more realistic about the weights of these things. Salutation is also 10 kilos. Well, that's curious. Although, I think the base collision shape is... Oh yeah, it's missing. That's why. Alright. And then we have all this stuff. Yeah. Okay, you know what? Placeholder shape. For now. Okay. Although, that might cause problems. We might not even be able to reach the hatch to interact with it. Yeah, see, I can't even turn. Did I... I know that I changed this somewhere. Pitch, roll value. Pitch value. Yaw value. Okay. I think that's fine. Let's just see if the controls of the ship are there, and then we gotta wrap it. Yeah, I can't even control anything here. Come on. Can I do the mouse? Yes, I can do the mouse. So it's got to be the sensitivity controls. It's literally some other object interfering with the physics. There we go. Get in. And there we go. Hey, there we go. That works. Might be a little bit high. Ooh. Maybe the FOV is a bit strong as well. But that's the idea. We got the system up and running. Cool. All right, we'll fine-tune stuff next time. We got the system for adding additional vessels. That should be good. The rest is fine-tuning and figuring out what the hell got broken. Cool. That's it. Thanks everybody for watching. Continue next time. Hope you enjoyed.